Got a change of pace. I've switched over from working on the rust in the cab. Got the frame set out. I'm gonna start from the ground up. Started cleaning on sanding and grinding and on the frame to get it painted. I was gonna take it to get powder coated, but I've decided I'm just gonna do it myself. I got some 2-part paint from Summit brand, frame paint, so give it a go. Never done it before, so we'll see how it goes. Hopefully it holds up. Here's the upper and lower control arms, or control arms. Dropped these off at the sandblaster about 3:30. It's now 6 o'clock. Was not expecting that at all. I also got the rear control arms, trailing arms, and the front cross member done. All this for $40, and it was done in give or take 3 hours. The, I believe, CPP cross member with the adjustable track bar locations. It bolts into the factory holes, but it comes with 1/2-inch bolts, so your holes need to be drilled out with a 1/2-inch bit to fit through.